Hello Satoshi, my name is JQ. In this video, I will show you how to export your character model from the 3D Max and import to Unity 3D. Okay, and from that you tell me you have some problem in the exporting and importing your character to the Unity. The first thing that I have to look in from the 3D Max. Okay, this is my 3D character, and I'm just ready making and animating my 3D model like this, and my animating starts from the frame 0 and end from the 40, 0 to 40. Okay, in this step of the linking and animating from the 3D Max by cat or character to kit, I think you have some basic skill, and I think you know how to working and animating in the 3D Max. And the next thing that I think you have some problem is how to import your 3D model and animation to the Unity 3D. And okay, for this step in linking and animating from the 3D Max. After we end our process, linking and animating already done, the next thing that we have to do is export. I have to export file to the some folder. Suppose create some new folder called video cat. Okay, video cat. And the next thing that we do, data type is .fbx file, and name create like a source man sorry, source man. Okay, like this, and save. And FBX export not do everything, just click OK, waiting for some minute. It has some wrong error and warning, not do everything, and click OK. Okay, this is end of process in the 3D Max from the exporting. And the next thing that we do, how to import your 3D model and use animation that we create from the 3D Max. Okay, and the next step we have to go to the Unity 3D. Okay, this is the basic interface of the Unity 3D. We can adjust some layer, view, tone, 2 by 3. Okay, I use tall. Okay, we have scene window and game window. And the next thing that we do in the Unity 3D, first thing, in the project tab, we have to create some folder and create name like suppose I access like this. So next thing that we do, we have to drag my 3D model into the my assets. I will back to the Unity 3D. I save file to VideoCAD. Okay, open on Mac. Open on Mac. Okay. Now we have the source main.apx file. So the next thing, drag and drop to my assets. Okay. And now in the Unity 3D, we have some new file called the source main, and we click. Now it has preview from the 3D model. Okay, and my file is not perfect because we don't have texture, we don't have the diffuse file, we don't have the normal map file. So and in the texture we will adjust next time. So the next thing that we do is that we drag and drop my assets to here. The next thing that we do, I suggest you to look into the inspector. First thing that we adjust is the vector scale. Vector scale is the size of your model. And normally I use the one. Normally I use one scale. And the next thing that we do is here, split animation. For the 3D Max, we have to create some animation that starts from the 0 frame to the 40 frame. So in the Unity, you have to create your name of the animation and create the frame start and frame end like this. Click the path and name. Next thing that we do, create the name of animation, not name of your asset. Name is name of animation. Suppose my animation clip name attack. Man attack. And starts from 0 and end from 40. And the web mode, in the web mode from the Unity 3D, normally if your animation not idle animation, not running animation, not walking, we will use default. We do default. And the next thing that we do is apply. Okay, This is a basic thing that we have to adjust after we import my 3D model to the Unity. We have to adjust the factor scale, and we have to adjust the name of animation edit, the period of time of animating from start frame and end of frame, and apply. So the next thing, we try to drag my assets to the scene like this. Okay. And let's just the camera view. Where is my camera? Rotate to my 3D model. Where you 3D model here. Okay. You will see your character in the camera view, but it's so dark. We have to use the directional light. We go to the game object, create order, and use directional light like this. Just continue the scene. Okay. After I just lighting in the game tab, you will see the my 3D character. The next thing that we do is click on the source man. In the source man, and after we drag my asset to the scene, sure your assets will appear on the highlight sheet. And after we click that, you will see the animation component, and in this component, this will contain content of the name of animation that we just create, like this, the man animation, man attack. Okay, we will play. You see your character can move now. But one time, not looping. But if you want to your character animating loop all the time, you have to adjust some web mode. Change from default to loop and apply and play again. Your 3D model and have movement loop all the time. Okay, and now my character from 3D Max has arrived, has the movement. And the next thing that we adjust is the texture. Texture is my texture is in the folder material, but in my material is not nothing, not the picture file, nothing the type field file, nothing the normal map file. So I will import my die field, my normal map to the material like this. I will get it from the own file. Where is my own file? Document and source name file. Source name. Where? Where's my, oh, okay. Source name, material. Okay. I will drag the normal map file to material. And die field file. Okay. Now we have texture. I have to adjust some name. Texture. Die field. Texture die field and texture normal map. Like this. Okay. And the next thing that we do from the material, we have to adjust some shader and change into the bump specula. In the bump specula, the first texture is die field, and the next is normal map. Drag and drop. You will see your skin, your texture in the ball. But from the scene game, you will see it's not beautiful, it's not perfect. So we have to adjust something by click on the your material and click here, fix now. Okay, the Unity 2D will create your texture like this. Okay, it's so beautiful. It so has muscle and play again. Okay, it's realistic and has some movement. Okay. This is the basic thing. After you import your assets or your 3D model to the Unity 3D, you have to adjust scale factor and create name and create timing of your animation and use a web mode and apply. The next thing that we do adjust your texture and try to play again. And if your 3D character have more animation, you can create more animation to speed animation, such as from the 0 to 40, we have create attack animation, and 41 to the 60, we have the running animation. So in speed animation you can create the, the name of animation running by clicking path and create name man run and create start frame 41 to the 60 support and adjust some web mode to the looping like this. Okay, if you have more animation from your asset or from your character, you will separate it like this. Okay, and now we have created one animation that attack. So in the speed animation have the one name that attack start from 0 and end from 40 like this. Fine. Okay, this is some basic thing that we have to do, and after we just gone from the 3D Max and import your 3D model or your assets to the Unity 3D. I think that this video have to useful for you, Satoshi. And thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And you have some question, you can message to me all the time. Thank you very much. I think it's useful for you. Okay. See you again, friends. Bye bye.